Hello, today we will introduce FINA-415 group project, and these are our group member. I'm Wang.
I'm Tianxiong Zhu.
I'm Zhigang Jin.
Jie Zhan.
Zhenhao Li.
And this is our outline. In my part, I will introduce how to start this project. In the original method, we can only enter data on 5 items: stock price, time increment, expected return, volatility, and then get the final data through a series of operations. It's very complicated, so we can use code input box. When we use this code, we just need to press the button, press to start, and entering the data in order. For example, 20, 10. So we can easily get the final result. Next, let's welcome Zhigang Jin.
Hi, I will introduce how to process to show the analysis. After the first step, press to start, we get a lot of data. But so many data are not easily to observe, so we can use the VBA function to filter the data. Now we just choose 3 most basic data: max, mean, and average. In our Excel, we just need to click the pink button, and we can get the analyze. For example, just need to click here, and we can get the max of the stock price, mean of the stock price, average of the stock price. It's very easily. And this is our code to. This is our code. We just we first need to choose the command button form and click it. We assume the max of the stock price and the n is equal to the time plot, and minimize stock price, average stock price, and the time plot, we can use the row 5 and the commander and the formula number 2, and now we can calculate the max stock price. For example, the data results are from the row 3 and formula 6, just this line, the stock price, and the time plot is always changing because we use the different data. So the last line is n plus 3, and we also need to write our output area. In our Excel, we put the data in the row 9 and the formula number 2, and we can easily to get the max stock price of our data, and is similar to the minimized stock price and average stock price. We just need to change the output areas, and we change the minimized stock price output area, row 10 and the formula 2, average stock price row 11 and formula 2. It's very easy. Now let's welcome Tianxiong Zhu.
Okay, hello, I'm Tianxiong Zhu. In this project, my task is to create the chart. And at first we need to decide where the chart we put. So I write this code. My chart equals worksheet chart object at 600, 112, 500, 310, and this part it decides where the chart will be. And next, we should decide which type of the chart we used. According to the data given by Wang, we decide to use the line chart, so I write the code chart type equal to Excel line. And because the time of the year will be changed by different people, so I write the code and row here. It means that taking the last valued row in column 5 of the active sales table, and the following things I need to do is to determine the range of the data I need to use. There are 3 elements: certain, uncertain, and the total. So I write the code here. Now next I determine where the legend put. So I write this code, put it on the top, and then I should determine what is the vertical and the horizontal SX title, price and day. And finally, I write the chart title, simulate the stock price, and put it in above the chart. Here, this code decides this. Then I will show the Excels. Now click the button, show the title, legend, price, days here. Now next is Zhenhao Li.
Hi, I'm Zhenhao Li. Through the Tianxiong Zhu presentation, you will be sure to know how to create the chart. Then I will introduce the clear chart. When you set up the chart, you want to clear it, you can press the button. You can see the picture. It's a part of our Excel. We have already write the code for the Excel. Then we can see it. There have 4 buttons. I will see it. It's a clear chart button. Then I will show you how to operate it. You only need to click the clear chart, then the chart will be cleared. It is the code for the clear chart button. It's only the code is only have triplex row. It means when you press the button, if Excel has chart in the sheet 1, it will be cleared. Then welcome to Jie Zhan to see clear data.
Hello, I'm Jie Zhan. Zhenhao Li have shown how to clear the chart, and now I will explain how to clear data. I have already prepared some data I need to clear. We can find the data we need to clear, including B1 to B5, B9 to B11, and E column to H column. Only expect the first and second rows, which is titles of this data. First of all, we need to find the coordinate of all ranges. Only the range of E column to H columns is unknown, so and the range of E column to H column is decided by this time period. So I assume N, which is equal to time period, or the value of time period, or B5. Furthermore, as the data starts from the 4th rows, so I have to plus 3 in N. This means the coordinates of range of data from E column to each column can be explained like this. Range cells 3, 5, cells n plus 3, 8. And the last two ranges can be explained like this. Range B1, B5, range B9, B11. And then I just need to add clear contents after that. Lastly, try to run these codes. This is the data they leave. I just need to press this. Okay, it's all clear. It's good. Lastly, thanks for watching.